I regularly make $100 to $500 a day selling digital products. And now I'm about to show you exactly how you can get started completely for free. And don't worry, I'm going to show you this in a way that no one has ever shown you. But first, make sure you save this video because I promise you, you are going to be so upset if you accidentally scroll past it. In the next 5 steps, I'm going to show you how to create, post it, and market it online so that you can start earning extra income with digital products for your family too. So first, you're going to pick a topic somewhere in the area of health, wellness, or relationships. If you need help with that, make sure you go to the link at the top of my page to get over 150 ideas that'll help you get started. Next, we're going to go to ChatGPT so that he can help us. Let's go. My kids cracked my screen, but don't worry about that. Say, write me an outline for an ebook for women that struggle with PCOS and are looking to lose weight in a healthy way. Use a casual, friendly tone. Include statistics where applicable. Name 5th grade reading level. Okay, so you want to make sure to tell it what you want it to do, what it's about, be as detailed as possible. Try to give it a tone so that you have less to edit later. Any other extra things that you wanted to add, and you always want the reading level to be low. You don't want it to sound like a research paper. Now let's see what it gives us. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. It's like my chapters, baby. Yes, it is. Hello, how you doing? Come on, ebook. This took about 60 seconds. Wow. Wow. All right. Make sure you're only creating something that you are knowledgeable about because you are going to proofread this and make it sound like yourself. You're not going to be just letting AI write everything for you. Like, you're going to have to edit it later. But if you do want some help with it, you can easily just copy this and say, write this section and paste it. And so then ChatGPT can start to write it for you. Is it just me or is it writing the ebook for me? Oh, and then just say next section. Boom, moved right on into chapter 1. And there, it's literally just writing it for you. Remember, you're going to copy and paste this into your ebook template, but you are going to go through, read it, add your own, your own little jokes and your own experience and your own flavor to it. So it's not just like a bot wrote it. You want it to sound like you. This is just as a helpful template for you so that you can write it faster, but it's not meant to be the finished product. But look at that. Guys, we're only 5 minutes in. Not even. And we already have an ebook. Next section. Bro, do y'all see this? Is it just me or is it doing the work? Is it doing the work or is it doing the work? Wow. Wow. I know somebody had a revelation off of that one right there. So make sure you dropping a fire sign down in the comments to let me know this is fire. Okay, now let's head over to Canva. Okay, now that we're in Canva, we are going to look for a wellness ebook because our document is about wellness. Let's find one that's kind of cute. Remember, if it has this little crown on the side, that means that it's not free. We're trying to do this for free. So let's find one that does not have that little crown on the side. If you hover over it, you see this already has 8 pages. That's good because we want something that gives us a little bit of variety. We'll just go with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're just going to copy what we got over here on ChatGPT and we're going to add it to our ebook. And then you're just going to, play with it, make it look good, blah, blah, blah. Make it look good. And then our table of contents, that is where we're going to get over here from ChatGPT. Because it showed us already. First, it's going to be the introduction. Then we got chapter 1. And you're just going to keep doing this all the way. As much or as little as you want. I'm sure you already knew at least how to get to that point, but let me show you how to do it differently than what other people show you. Now you're going to go over here to share, and most people would tell you to download it as a PDF, but we are not going to do that. Instead, we are going to get a public view link. I'm going to tell you why this is important here in a second. When you click it, you're going to create the link. Boom. Now we're going to copy that. We're going to save that. Okay. Now, if you've watched me long enough, then you know that I do not necessarily use Stan Store anymore because you have to pay for it. Remember, we're doing this for free. How much money have we spent so far? $0. Let's keep it that way by using Pinsite. Now, with Pinsite, you'll be able to do all the same stuff that you would have done with Stan Store's paid plan, but it's completely free. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to create a new product. We're going to do a digital product. Now let's quickly create the link for it. Remember, the name of it is our ebook. Let's take it back and put it on here. Ebook. What type of product is it? It's an ebook. You can make a cover image, which whenever you do that, you'll just take whatever image you created on here and we'll use that as the cover. You don't have to have an image, but I like to add one just to make it look better. So in that case, we are going to download a PNG of just the first page. We don't need all the pages, just the title page, and that'll be enough. So we're going to download that. Download. Voila. Now let's go back over here and we're going to upload that image. And this is how it's going to look somewhere in this. So let's make sure that we have the title in there. Remember, this is supposed to be pretty. Boom. Wow. And it's showing you over here what that's going to look like in your store. You're going to list how much this is going to cost. Now look, now don't be trying to charge no arm and a leg for this ebook. Okay. Now here's another thing. If you were to have a PDF, because you know for sure that you're never going to edit it again, then you could upload the PDF. But we're not going to do that. We are going to add a message. So whenever someone purchases, this is the message that they're going to see. Thank you for being amazing. You can type whatever you want to. But now this is where we're also going to enter in that Canva link. Put that link right here. So as soon as they purchase, they'll be able to click on this link and go directly to the product. You want to just do it the PDF way, that's fine. But I prefer this because I tend to go back in and make edits later on. And so if you do it like this, then they will always have the most recent version. And you don't have to keep going back into Canva, download as a PDF, re-upload it, download as a PDF, re-upload it. You can just do this one thing as a link and then save you time later. Okay, now let's just click continue. Now I'm about to really blow your mind. So if you have the pro plan, you can get a template for this, but we're just going to start from scratch because we're doing this for free. And this is something that Stan would never. So you can add, you can customize this as much as you want to. Let's add a title, and then you can add images, you can add pictures, you can add videos, bro. You can do everything on here. Let's see, let's add a picture. Let's add that picture again. Boom, you can add your table of contents or something. I'm gonna give you, here's a tip for you. You don't have to do all of this to have a successful landing page, but let me tell you, remember this is, make sure it looks pretty. Don't make it look like this. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're trying to sell something to people and your landing page looks like crap, they're gonna think that your product is crap too. So you can tell somebody that the food tastes as amazing as you want to, but if it don't have a good presentation, then they're not even gonna take their first bite. So make sure that it looks good. Now let's add the product description so that, they know exactly what it's about. And if you're not good with words, that's okay, because our handy dandy friend over here, our bestie, write a product description for this ebook. Make it with a casual, friendly, let's not say friendly, let's say casual tone, 5th grade reading level, and slightly persuasive. Use markdown when appropriate. That just means like using bullet points and stuff like that. Enter. Wow. Look at that. It's literally writing the description for us. Bro. Hey y'all, this is Future Rye. I'm in the middle of editing this video for you, and I'm really dropping some gems, y'all. If you haven't already commented the fire sign, what are you waiting on? Because I'm literally giving y'all the tea. I don't want to hear no more excuses about y'all don't know how to do this. Bro, drop a fire sign right now. I don't want to hear no more excuses. No more excuses. You got everything you need. Everything you need. Now edit this so that it matches whatever you're actually offering. Look at that. We got a whole landing page in 2 seconds, y'all. This took 2 seconds. We got a whole landing page. Now, again, you can edit things more if you want to. You can change the fonts. You can to match your branding. You can change the colors. You can change, watch this. If you wanted to change, let's say you wanted to change the color of this. You can make it like that, or you can just use a solid color to match your branding. Bro, you can literally do whatever you want. Let's make it look more like this. Green. Or you can make it look a little bit more. Let's try to match that green. So, bro, but remember, just make it look good. Make it look good. So that people actually think that, not think, but they know that what they're about to get is going to be of high quality because you took the time to make this of high quality. Okay, anyways, save it. It's going to go up here and publish. Ta-da! It's published. Now let's go to our page and grab our link. This is going to be the link that you're going to put on your social media pages. Now post that link wherever you plan on promoting your product, and then you're going to market it. Go out there, use what you're passionate about and what you are knowledgeable about, and go help somebody, because there's someone out there right now waiting on you to create that product to solve their problem. Stay blessed.